Finally got to see this amazing elevator system again. We're gonna go on this side because we want high rise. That's if these are not locked. Please show card. How high can we go? Wait. Guest rooms, event spaces. 9? Yeah, we can take 9. I'll try. Hopefully this is one of the ones that has the cabinet thing opened. I'll see if I can try to get up. We gotta find one of the elevators that has the open cabinet. Oh, it's here. Haven't been on these in a long time. I don't know if that lights up. It doesn't. Dang it. It's as high as we're going. I gotta get people. Darn it. Nope. Look at this. Let's see if we get a different one. L. A. Apparently some elevators don't even serve this floor. Okay, let's try one. We got H. Wait, I don't want H. I want actually we'll still try H. Ooh. I don't think H is part of the high rise, is it? Yeah, you can't do this because you need to, I guess here you had to show it. No, it gave me H. I don't want H. It's here though. Let's see if it, I don't know if it's high rise or not. Oh. That's for the, oh, wait, yes. No. Or swipe out of this. No. Wait. I think it's the view. This one's kind of broken. There we go. Oh. Restaurants. No! What the? Bro. One's here, I think. Oh, F. It's only taking me to 8. Bruh. I gotta find the perfect one. We're on 8 now.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, actually. Okay.
Change your mind?
Yeah, but I didn't go all the way up and down. Yeah, very famous elevators. I like these a lot.
There's the, you see it? You don't see it?
Yeah, I do. So how come we're missing it?
Well, it's just because when I showed it wouldn't let me go down.
So how are you gonna get to 23?
Because now you're up here, it'll let you go down to it, but it'll let you go up to it.
Don't think it will go anywhere. Let's see if it goes. Nope, we're going somewhere. These things are rockets. Nope, we're stopping somewhere. Wait. No, I tried this thing already. It's... Okay, let's try this. Can we? B. Okay, we got B. Here it is. Whoop. Weird. Down?
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
There's big numbers right there. That one has lots of little segments.
Versus a stick.
Where's Digitona?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we haven't had
Digitona's
Digitona in a
gone.
while.
Yeah.
I thought we did when we first got here.
I think we were just expecting it. Because it changed the system. I know they changed the system out.
Thank you.
It operates differently. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Damn it. Okay, let's see if it goes somewhere. Nope. Oh. Up.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There you go. Thanks. You're welcome. Let's see if we can try to get a different one. Maybe we could get one of the internal ones, maybe? Let's go 3. Oh, give me F again. I know that one is, Oh, 44 is open. Wait, hold on. What about 45? Got it. Okay, but can I get any ones that are not B? No, it's giving me B. And we just had B, which we lost. Oh. Wait. Oh no, that's F. If this thing could hurry up. Because they have them unlocked on certain levels. There we go. There you go, little things. Alright. Not that much of a journey to go up. You know what? Let's watch the number. I like these elevators. I wish they didn't have them completely like boarded up with the key reader. Flight delay. Okay, we just gotta go up one more. These are EPCO buttons on the inside. Those are original from when they were Miconic 10. It's a very odd phone button. Look at that. Alright, we made it up to 45. Let's see if we can get back down to 1. Yep, B. That's what I came for, the ride down. Alright, here we go. And that's your view. Now let's get to 8. I want to see if I can try to get one of the internal ones. What? I don't even know what I hit. 8. Where's I? It's this way. Oh, this is going to 8. Oh, shoot.
I have to ask, where are you from?
Greece.
Hmm?
Greece. Greece.
Wow, that's amazing. That's really cool. We're London and Colorado and Texas.
Door 8.
That's cool.
Some talks.
What part of Greece?
A long way.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright. It's 8.
We're good.
And I think this is where you can get off so we can see the amazing system this place has to offer. I think it's this one. Yep. This is where we can admire the amazing atrium. Let me take a picture of this and I'm gonna get out of here. See if I can find. Wow. That's incredible. Alright, that's enough of this long video. Anyways, that's it.